Hi, welcome. In this video, we will talk about the Teams feature in Probly. We will see how it addresses the needs of a company for managing teams, users, and targets, in an easy and efficient way. Fundamentally, Teams in Probly will allow you to do the following. Firstly, segregate user access to targets of their own team. Basically, it prevents users in a team from seeing and starting scans on targets of other teams. Secondly, assign different roles to different users, at a team level. This means not only that each user in a team can have different permissions, but also, the same user working in multiple teams can have different permissions in each team. And finally, assign and reserve target quotas to the team. By assigning target quotas, you can limit the number of targets each team can create for scanning. And, if they are reserved, it will prevent other teams from using those target slots. Let's see a common scenario. Imagine a company with an enterprise account with several teams working on different projects. In our case, the company has 3 teams. Each team groups a set of users and groups a set of targets the team can scan. Notice also that users have team-specific roles. For example, in all 3 teams, user 1 is an administrator, with wide access to all operations. User 2 also works in all 3 teams, but with different roles and permissions. So, how can the Probly teams help? Basically, they can mimic the company's structure to manage users and targets. They will allow you to group users, assign roles to define the actions they can perform in the team, and set the targets they can use for scanning. To do so, Probly provides an option to manage your company teams. Add your teams. Set their target quota to limit the number of targets they can create. And reserve target slots from the account if you want to make sure they can create all targets. Then, manage the users and configure their roles. And manage the targets the team can scan. Back to our scenario, and as we saw before, user 1 works in all 3 teams with the same role. For these cases, Probly provides a global role for users at the account level. It will apply to all teams and simplify the management process. That can be done in the Users area in the Probly app, where the global role is available. And that's it. Let's recap what we talked about in this video. We showed what teams are in Probly, and how they can mimic an organization structure. So you can segregate the user's access to the targets of the team. Also, assign different roles to different users and teams. And, limit and reserve target quotas to teams. We also introduced users to assign global roles to access the entire account and projects. Thank you for watching this video.